Budget cooking with Kruno. Potato, staple of food of poor proletarian masses, comrade. That's how it is. After quickly washing potato, but not too much, you cut it in little pieces. I typically cut it into like fifth of an inch.
Fifth and a half inch? What's that in centimeter?
Google it, you Euro bitch. Then put some salt into pot. Okay, that's too much. And then salt the potato gently with love. Do it mindfully. While doing so, don't forget to feed the pigeons. I don't know about you, but here in Carhosia, we like to feed the pigeons. Then spread gently potatoes on a grid. Voila, you see how beautiful it is? Then put those potatoes in the oven. Oven always must be clean and look beautiful. Close the door gently and put it on 450 degrees Fahrenheit. After 30 minutes, potatoes gonna be perfectly baked. Never forget to look at the clock what time exactly it is, because after 30 minutes it's gonna be perfectly baked. Looks perfect, huh? Looks very nice. Very nice. So I'm gonna make some soup in the meantime. This mats, as we call it, is 6 kuna or under $1. This is 3 kuna or about 50 cents. And because I paid everything 10 kuna, I got some carrots for free. So I cut everything into relatively small pieces and I'm gonna add persian at the end. Always add a little bit of olive oil, which is luxury. Some salt, not too much. And water. So I'm gonna put it on maximum and after it boils I'm gonna cook it 10 more minutes. So now the whole operation is starting to turn into complicated because it's a multitasking. In the meantime I cut persian into small pieces. In the meantime pigeons arrived and gave a little bit of a wildlife atmosphere. From some reason I lost electricity, so the whole cooking project is off. This reacted because way too many appliances been working. So electricity is back, but oven got cooled a little bit, so it's gonna be a little bit different. What do you guys think, huh? Almost there. Now I'm gonna finish my soup. Problem was not the power shortage, but too many appliances working at the same time, so Sigurac went off. So plan is to fry these onions and garlic with olive oil till they turn yellow. Then I'm gonna add sardines and passata pomodoro. So I added the, tin of sardines and passata pomodoro or tomato sauce. Which will be a nice combination with these potatoes. Oh, it's really good. That's really good. So it took me a little bit under 1 hour to prepare this meal.